The Jesuits, black yung ano na.
Holy Spirit Adoration. Then natingnan mo yung mga mother dito, napaka-pink talaga yan sila.
Hello guys, we have arrived.
What is this here?
So guys, dili mi kung namin mga petition or prayers, dili mi nag-add sa Pink Sisters. So karon namin prayer. So naghalad mig itlog, pan, and other foods. So mag-pray muna kami sa church, guys.
Hi guys, tapos na kami nag-church. So our next destination now is Tuna Republic for lunch.
Look at that Davao City. No traffic for Sunday. Ay, meron pala. So, let's go to Tuna Republic. Tuna Republic, guys.
May port mo to, puro seafoods mo ba?
It's okay.
Taas.
Hindi, ang green coffee sa diversion. Next time na lang. Lunch me. So, nandito na kami sa Tuna Republic. Tuna Republic. Walay parking area dito ka sa gilid. Pila ka minutes, ma'am, ang order? Video ko ay...
Okay, kain na kayo.
Sarado pag Sunday. Sarado siya. So sorry. Ning! Uy, labot.